The investment section requires you to estimate the dollar amount that you will be committing to invest per year for the current and 4 subsequent tax years. In order to understand what can be counted as an investment, let's look at the definition. Investment is the amount paid for real and personal property that is purchased or leased and placed into service in California after the close of the current application period and is directly related to the applicant's proposed project. Real property is any property located in a state that is attached directly to land as well as the land itself. It includes, but is not limited to, all land, structures, firmly attached and integrated equipment, anything growing on the land, and all other interests in the property, which may be the right to future ownership, right to occupy for a period of time, or an easement across another property. Real property also includes capitalized costs related to new construction, reconstruction, or expansion of buildings or structures which will be used in the applicant's trade or business in connection with the project and are subject to depreciation. Personal property can be tangible or intangible. Tangible personal property is movable property, including, but not limited to, vehicles, movable fixtures, equipment, and electronic devices. Intangible personal property includes, but is not limited to, software licenses, intellectual property acquired in connection with the project that has a quantifiable value, and other business assets which are subject to depreciation. Generally speaking, think about items you would depreciate on your tax return but not expense. For example, a purchased vehicle would count, but the fuel and maintenance costs would not. Now that we have gone over the definitions, let's use the widget manufacturing example to better explain this section. Widget is planning to invest $175,000 over the next 5 years. It will invest in manufacturing equipment, delivery vehicles, and tenant improvements. Widget is committing to spend $100,000 in 2018 and $75,000 in 2019. In the application, Widget enters $100,000 and $75,000 into the 2018 and 2019 boxes respectively. When you are finished, click the Complete button.